What's up, everybody? It's K-Man, and today we're going to check out this Ford Mustang. This gorgeous spec 2000 Mustang GT belongs, not to me sadly, belongs to my daughter's boyfriend, who just got it recently. Under 80,000 miles, one owner, just beautiful car. Perfect color, red over white. Got the Cervini's hood on it. Only problem with it is it doesn't sound good enough, but we are going to fix that today by installing this Flowmaster American Thunder Cat Pack exhaust kit, and we're going to see how it sounds before and after. All right, let's get the before sound. Rev it up. So we pulled off the old stock Mustang exhaust and we installed this new Flowmaster system. Let's start with, after putting the American Thunder kit on, we're going to start with not a cold start, a warm start. Get on it.
It's going to be right on that car in a minute. So
I know, it's all right. Nah, it's a Mustang. It's not that fast.